It is the season of trading bots, and we've seen a lot of ROI bot protocols popping up all over the place. I will do my best to cover the ones that I think have the best chance of success. Today I'm covering the newest ROI bot protocol on the block called Relay Fund, providing 2% interest on your investment every day. G'day DeFi family, my name is Bruce. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my DeFi Life, a channel dedicated to unbanking you and me from the corrupt world of fiat, and the sooner the better. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free and helps me with the algorithm on YouTube, so I really appreciate it. Now, these videos are not considered financial advice, and I do suggest you do your own research on any of the projects I cover on this channel. Now, Relay Fund is a trading bot DeFi protocol that allows investors to invest USDC on 3 different blockchains: Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, for a 2% daily interest on their investment. A percentage of the funds invested is traded on spot and futures trades to provide the profit injections needed to sustain the 2% per day yield on investors' funds, with the said trades being made public via Telegram and Discord. The Relay Fund team claim they've been working on this trading technology for 18 months and believe they've created something truly special. Their goal now is to share their trading technology publicly and continue to market with campaigns and steadily grow the protocol. The roadmap includes packaging the trading technology named Relay Bot into an NFT to allow for personal and individual use to break down the walls of financial technology, showing everyone that true wealth is possible. So let's take a look at the dApp. Okay, we're gonna have a dive into the dApp for Relay Fund. And as per usual, these trading bot ROI yield protocols are not really complicated, just a matter of navigating to where you can invest your funds. Now, like I mentioned, there's 3 blockchains that this application or this protocol utilizes, which is Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Avalanche. Today I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to invest $100 into the Binance Smart Chain for Relay Fund. Now at the top we have the statistics for the Binance Smart Chain. Now currently the total deposits is still under 1.5 million across all 3 chains, but it's getting close to that 1.5 million mark if you want to get on the whitelist for NFTs. The deposits for Binance Smart Chain is 1,225,000. The contract balance is 334,528. So they're using, for Relay Bot allocation, $790,212. And the total withdrawn currently for Binance Smart Chain is $101,000. Now these stats are also across Ethereum, so there's different stats for each blockchain. So if you want to have a look at the stats for each blockchain, just click on these links here. For each individual blockchain, adjust your MetaMask wallet to the right blockchain, and you'll be able to get those stats. Now, all you got to do here is connect your wallet, which I've done here on the Binance Smart Chain. And you will also be given a referral link for those who wish to promote Relay Fund. You can promote using a referral link. In the first 30 days, you get 5% on the referred users that deposit money into the system. After 30 days, you'll get 2% on each deposit. Now the smart contract is here if people wish to look up the details and the transaction information and do a little bit of deep dive on the smart contract. It's right there. Here we have the deposit section and reward sections. Again, these trading bot protocols are very, very simple. Just figure out how you can deposit your money, and then you'll start receiving your rewards and you'll be able to withdraw your rewards in time. Let's just jump down into the bottom where we have a list of the base rules for this particular protocol is here listed at the bottom underneath the deposit withdrawal section. So let's just quickly go through those. Contract start condition: contract balance reaches 200K within 15 days. Otherwise, all deposits within this period will be refunded. So they had a initial 15-day grace period to reach 200,000 in deposits. If they did not reach that 200,000, then all funds would be refunded, and they've gone past that 200,000 in the first 15 days. So onwards and upwards for this protocol. Contract closing condition: there is a closing condition of 20 million deposited. So we're nearly at 1.5 million right now. So once this reaches 20 million, the contract will be closed and no more new deposits will be able to come in. A minimum deposit of 100 USDC across all chains. There's a dev fee of 1% on all deposits and withdrawals. So there's a fee to deposit and a fee to withdraw, 1%. Daily rewards, 2% plus bonus if applicable on bonuses. I'm not sure what bonuses are available currently, if those bonuses have finished or not. Probably best to look at the Telegram group to see if there's any more bonuses available for this particular protocol. Referral rate, like I said, 1 to 30 days, 5%. and after 30 days are 2%. So if you're interested in promoting this protocol, that's available for you there. Withdrawal rules: every 7 days you can withdraw. As long as the bonus exceeds $50, you can withdraw funds. So there's 2 rules there: 7 days, every 7 days, and it has to be $50 or more. So that's probably going to help things be a lot more sustainable in the long run. Refund process: if you invest in the protocol and within 15 days you wish to withdraw your funds, your initial funds, you can do so. It will take about 2 to 5 days for your refunds to process. Down at the bottom of the DApp, there is an FAQ section, so I suggest you do go read through a little bit more on that after you've watched my video. I won't be able to cover everything in detail for you, so it's important that you do your own research on this project if you wish to invest. Of course, not financial advice from me. Only invest in what you're willing to lose and take responsibility for your investments. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to jump in. I'm going to do $100 USDC into the Binance Smart Chain, and let's see how we go. So let's just hit approve on that deposit. So we have to approve before we can deposit any funds, and that has been approved. And now we just put in our 100 USDC and hit deposit. Wait for that to process, and that has processed. And we just wait for the reward section to update and the deposit section to update. Okay, that has updated. Once some time has passed by, your reward section will start to update. You're available for withdrawal. Here it has already started updating. So it updates very, very regularly. And the minimum withdrawal again is $50 USDC. If you do get past $50 USDC and you do withdraw that money, those rewards, then it's another 7 days before you can withdraw again. So if we actually do the math on these rules here, that you can only withdraw after $50 has been accrued in your reward pool, then you need to add in about $400 of USDC to be able to withdraw every week, every 7 days. So that would earn you about $50 every week if you deposited $400 into the protocol. Not a bad return at all, but do remember my DeFi daily interest index of 2% per day is definitely high risk. So just keep that in mind, and you can see that these rewards are ticking over right away. So it's quite good to see that processing so fast and how it's updating without you having to refresh anything. So that's fantastic. So that is my first deposit into Relay Fund. And don't forget, you have Ethereum and Avalanche as well. So it's nice to have the choices of the 3 blockchains to invest in. Like I said, the total deposits is now reaching close to 1.5 million USDC, which is the cutoff for the whitelist for the NFTs. So don't miss out on getting on the whitelist for that. Potentially you could be in the draw to win an NFT, a RelayBot NFT. Okay, let's have a quick look at RelayBot. The team states that there is no other tech like this in the DeFi space. They have fully developed 3 different versions of the RelayBot, and each one innovating and improving from the last. The technology and cutting edge program has been rigorously back-tested and tweaked over the span of 2+ years, earning an average of more than 2% per day consistently. But in order to keep the protocol sustainable, they have kept the daily ROI to 2%. Now, personally, I'm happy with 1 to 1.5%. That is more than enough. And I feel like if they want to lower this at any time, and they could actually do that, I would feel much more comfortable. So 2% is a lot. So happy that they can keep that sustainable, but also happy if it goes to 1 or 1.5% as well. Now, as I've said earlier, the RelayBot will be moving to NFTs as well. So the team will be providing RelayBot NFTs available for individuals and allow them to control their own settings. So without more information, I can only assume that people who are in possession of a RelayBot NFT will have more control over the trading aspect of their investment. This will be interesting to learn more about in the near future. So anyone who deposits between now and 1.5 million in TVL on the protocol will be whitelisted for an NFT, but there won't be enough NFTs to go around for everyone. So just keep that in mind. Trading results and transparency. A percentage of the funds that are staked into Relay Fund are allocated directly into the RelayBot for automated trading and arbitration, with all earnings being directed back into the treasury where the users will be able to claim. As we know, a big part of these kinds of protocols, if not the most important part, is the transparency of the team in providing POT, proof of trades, to their investors. The team is very active in providing screenshots from their spot and futures trading positions recently on BitGet, and are soon to provide also video evidence of their trading like similar protocols have done in order to prove 100% that trading is real. Now there are a few screenshots available and this is not very good quality, so I suggest if you want to see more information about the trading results, go to Telegram and get the latest information from Telegram or even Discord. Now in other updates, Relay Fund, as I said before, has officially passed 1 million in deposits, which is quite an amazing milestone considering they're they're less than 2 weeks old, aren't they? They're currently working on launching the Relay Bot NFTs. As previously mentioned, those who invest before the TVL reaches 1.5 million will be whitelisted for the NFTs and is currently still open for new investors. I think it's pretty close to 1.5 million now though, so better be quick. Keep in mind it will be first come, first serve for the available number of NFTs. Stay tuned for more updates like collection amount, prices, mint date, specifications, etc. Currently iOS and Android apps are being developed, as well as Windows and Mac dashboards that will be fully compatible with the Relay Bot technology and NFTs, so stay tuned for future updates regarding that. Now the Relay Fund team has yet to be doxed or KYC'd, but there are plans to do this in the coming days. The team has been carefully selected and vetted, and there are 3 co-founders. The names are Brandon, Samuel, and Alan. Now each one of these co-founders has different skill sets. Brandon is a bachelor's in marketing, Alan a multi-business owner and scholar, and Samuel, a senior Web3 community manager who has been operating and trading in the community with Brandon since 2021. Additionally, the team has brought on a trading strategist that has over a decade of strategic trading experience, studying the markets and stocks and Forex. The team have selected the best traders they could find, and the core developers have helped in creating something truly special, with impressive backgrounds in computer science and programming. Overall, Relay Fund seems to come across as a protocol that is determined to provide a viable and secure solution for us investors in what has become a wild west lately in DeFi and crypto. If you wish to continue your DeFi journey, I have 2 other videos that I've recommended right here. And don't forget guys, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, smash that notification button. And don't forget, look after yourselves guys. Happy holidays. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye.